my key. I got this little box. There. Boy, it's a hefty one. Okay, well, here it is. Just take your signature and I'll be going. No questions asked there, young man. That's the guarantee.
I've been waiting so long for this. You have no idea how excited I am for this. Do you want to see what's inside? It's just an animal. A very exotic animal.
Okay, well, I'll just leave you with your things here. It's alright. Sure, no trafficking of any sort, human or otherwise, is going on. So I'll be on my way. No worries, I didn't see a thing here.
Well, I can't wait to crack this nut. I'm sure you can't wait. I bet you're itching for your freedom. And I'm looking at a payday. Now how do we crack this nut? Okay, here we go. Oops. If only I knew how to use this thing. Are you ready for your freedom? You got my check? Are you, hello? You sleeping? I think he's asleep. Alright. Wakey wake! Uh-oh. I think he's dead.